अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज अब शुरू कर रही हूँ मैं 10th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री। मेरे पिछले लेक्चर्स में एक साल पहले से 9th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री कवर की थी मैंने, और ये अब 10th क्लास की है। ये पहला चैप्टर है हाइड्रोजन एंड वाटर। हाइड्रोजन has atomic number 1 and atomic mass 1. It is the simplest element of the periodic table. Hydro means water. Gen means water former. So water, H2O, the main constituent, hydrogen and oxygen. So it was discovered by Cavendish in 1766 by the action of which one? Hydrogen. How hydrogen is produced? Zinc react with HCl and forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen mass 1.008, and H2 mass is, because diatomic molecule, so its mass is 2.016 AMU, atomic mass unit. Hydrogen, the best source of hydrogen is sun. Sun is hottest thing in the universe, and the hottest nature because of hydrogen. Mainly it is composed of hydrogen. Hydrogen is also present. 70% of the universe is composed of hydrogen. Hydrogen, H2O. H2O is formed with the help of hydrogen. H2O, in which hydrogen is 2:1. Two part hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. So when we calculate 2 multiplied by its atomic mass, it is 2, and 1 multiplied by 16, it is 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 1:8 by mass. So the mass, the percentage composition of hydrogen in water, 2 hydrogen, so 2 divided by its molecular mass of water, 18. 2 divided by 18 multiplied by 100, the percentage of hydrogen is 11.11%. This is the percentage of oxygen. And hydrogen 16, this is for hydrogen. Okay, so oxygen 16 divided by 18 multiplied by 100, then the answer is, yes, the first one is correct, sorry, 11.11% hydrogen. And when we divide 16 divided by 18 multiply 100, then we will get 88.89% of oxygen. So this is percentage by mass of oxygen and as well as hydrogen. Now the question, how hydrogen is produced? So industrial method for hydrogen gas: red hot coke passed with water, and the mixture is heated up to 1000 degrees centigrade. Then the product is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. This mixture is called water gas. Water gas is a fuel, industrial fuel, not in the home. So it is used in industry. But now hydrogen is produced, but it is in the mixture. So we have to separate hydrogen from the mixture. For this purpose, there are two methods: by liquefaction and by oxidation. This is Bosch process. So first one, liquefaction. Carbon monoxide react with sodium hydroxide, and then that carbon is used and it will form sodium formate. So uh, from the mixture, from the water gas, that is the mixture of CO plus H2, this CO is removed, so hydrogen is separated. Because this water gas is cooled up to minus 200 degrees centigrade, and carbon monoxide liquefy and then undergo reaction. So hydrogen is left behind. The second method, by oxidation, Bosch process. In this reaction, water gas, when you see the equation, water gas react with water, and the temperature is 500 degrees centigrade. Ferrous oxide is used as catalyst, or chromium oxide. Then CO2 plus H2 is separated. Next, next one is by from natural gas hydrocarbon steam process. In this, methane react with water, gaseous steam, and in the presence of nickel catalyst at 900 degrees centigrade, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, that is, you can say, water gas, is again formed, and this hydrogen is separated by Bosch process or by liquefaction process, which we have studied earlier. Number 3, by the thermal decomposition of methane. Methane is CH4. When it is heated above 700 degrees centigrade in the absence of air, this methane splits and form carbon plus hydrogen gas. So this is again the preparation of hydrogen in industrial manner. Number 4, by electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water, when it is separated, then by passing electricity, anode and cathode is placed, and then, and as you know, water itself is a non-electrolyte. So in the presence of even one drop of acid, water become acidified and then undergo electrolysis. Electricity, by passing electricity, it decompose and break up into hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, now revise it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.